Guys, Chris here. Today we're gonna make a pizza. So first up, you need a shredder to shred the cheese. I like to use these big ones. You also need a bowl to put the cheese that you shredded in. Then you need a hand protector so you don't cut your hand off. And then you also need cheese, the main part. First up, you put cheese into the hand protector like this. You can put the cheese onto the shredder rails, and then all you have to do is adjust it to fit into the bowl and then start shredding. Be careful while you're shredding, because don't put your hand in any of the blades, and also have an adult on hand, which is currently filming the video. So yeah, have that. If you use a thick slicer like this, the cheese will be a little thick. The pieces will be a bit big, but it's a lot easier, and you can use like a big food thingy like this. So I'm just gonna time lapse. Alright, so when you're done, you'll get something a little bit like this. If you use a smaller shredder or a metal shredder, the tall ones, it might look a bit different, but it'll come off in strips like this. So you could put that onto your pizza. It's nice and big. I don't like shreds because shreds it's harder to spread on a pizza. Anyways, this is about it. I'll see you in the
toppings.
Anyways, bye. Hey, what's up guys? Chris here, back with the toppings. First toppings for this session is going to be mushrooms.
Specifically, this one right here.
We're going to cut them. Mushrooms on a pizza. Yeah.
I know, right? Absolutely delicious.
Stop! So you're just going to chop it like this. Oops. Yeah, chop it. Oops. Okay, so our camera ran out of battery, so we stopped recording, but here's the finished product. Mushrooms, completely finished, and that's it for mushrooms. Now, we have the ham. You gotta have ham on a pizza.
Yeah, sure.
Again, we're not putting pineapples on pizza, so just be warned. I think I'm gonna cut them in half like this, and then cut them in half like this, well not in half, in the strips, so that you could put them on a pizza. Guys, so now the ham is done. I've cut out some pretty creative shapes, but as you can tell, it didn't go very well. Props to Valtteri. Anyways, that's going to be the ham, and now we are going to grab the cheese from the refrigerator that we made 5 video minutes ago, but it was actually 3 hours ago for me. We have cheese, so we're just going to unwrap that real quick, and we're ready to make the pizza. Great. So see you in a quick montage. Bye-bye. The oven. Preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius, or as they call it in America, 223 degrees Celsius. Right, time for the pizza. Spray your cooking tray with some oil so that the pizza doesn't stick to the cooking tray. Now put the pizza dough onto the cooking tray. And then you can put on the sauce right here. Put on the sauce. Next up, put in about a lot of cheese. You need a lot of cheese for pizzas. Those are the main components of the pizzas, cheese, sauce, and dough. So you're going to put on a lot of cheese, and I mean a lot. It's fine, okay? Put on as much as you want. I'm putting on about a generous amount of cheese. Then you can put on the toppings, like say mushrooms. You could put on mushrooms, a bit like this. So yeah, you can put on the mushrooms. This is all the stuff we cut earlier. For the pepper, I didn't cut the pepper. My dad cut it for me because I can't cut peppers. Don't put on too much cheese. Time for some pepper. I don't like pepper, so it's only going to go on half of the pizza. There we go. On goes the pepper. Now you could put on the ham. Put on the ham, a bit like this. Just put on a bit of ham. And I mean a bit. Not like a really generous, ridiculous amount. Place on a single mushroom just for fun and because I don't care. And then retop everything with cheese so that it doesn't shit. So that it doesn't fall off the edge when you're grabbing it. Don't cover anything up though if you have some artiste work on there. Yeah. Also, there's more cheese than I shredded in the video because we haven't got enough cheese, said my dad. So we shredded more cheese. That's it. It's fine though. It's just the same process as before. Great. Now that we're done, let's put it into the oven. Right, now put it in the oven. Oh, I know this is a little stain. Once you put it in the oven, it'll go in there for around
3 to 5 minutes.
Until it's crispy brown. Also, make sure to set it onto pizza mode so that the pizza cooks nice and crusty. So once it's done, you could take it out of the oven. Like that. Look at how delicious looking that is. That pizza looks delicious. A delicious pizza.
Good.